In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select Expedia in Ownerrez. We'll be walking through the booking creation process inside Ownerrez and more specifically, how to choose Expedia as the booking source. This is a simple task, but it's important to enter each detail carefully so the booking is created with the correct information from the start. First, go to Ownerrez and make sure you're on the main dashboard or bookings area. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll usually find the main navigation menu and the tools you need to create or manage reservations. From there, click on Create Booking. This opens the booking setup form where you'll enter the reservation details manually. If you don't immediately see all the fields you need, give the page a second to load fully before moving on. Next, select the property for the booking. Be sure to choose the correct rental, especially if you manage multiple properties. This step matters because availability, pricing, and booking details are all tied to the specific property you choose. After that, add the arrival date. Enter the guest check-in date carefully and double-check it before continuing. Then add the departure date, which is the checkout date. It's a good idea to confirm that both dates reflect the correct stay length and match the reservation details you're working from. Once the property and dates are in place, move to the source field. This is where you tell Ownerrez where the booking came from. Open that source selection area, then look through the available options for Expedia and select it. Choosing the correct source is especially helpful for tracking reservations accurately and keeping your records organized. After selecting Expedia, add the guest number. Enter the total number of guests included in the reservation. Make sure this matches the booking details so occupancy information stays accurate for planning, reporting, and guest management. When everything is filled in, click Create Booking to finish. At this point, Ownerrez will generate the booking using the property, dates, source, and guest count you entered. Before you move on, it's always a good habit to quickly review the completed booking and confirm that Expedia appears as the selected source. That small check can help prevent confusion later and make sure the reservation is categorized correctly. And that's it. That's how to select Expedia in Ownerrez while creating a booking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.